Hello everybody and welcome to the trade of the day for the 14th of November, and today we're looking at a particular trade on our D1 end of day strategy that took place on the Euro Australian dollar pairing. We took about 106.2 pips, so what we're going to do is we're going to quickly look at obviously how we identify this movement, and then we're going to talk about how we safely place that trade. So, getting right into it, we've actually had quite a lot of movement on this particular pairing. Now, over the last few months, it's had a bit of a resurgence in price, but we've seen a little bit of a downtrend in the last week, quite a heavy sell-off related to recent news. So now we have this identified, you should be able to see this big green circle here. What this is telling us is that there's a potential buy opportunity. So what we're looking to do is go back to the monthly trend, and obviously the market's maybe been a little bit oversold there. So now that we've identified that, all we have to do is go to our TradeMate feature, select the candlestick in question, and enter the details as such. So the indicator is D1. It's our end of day strategy. There's two more we can show you as well, but that's just the one we're using for now. Now, the strategy is with the trend. We're going with the monthly trend, as you can see on the momentum indicator on the left-hand side. We're going back towards this middle of the price channel. We're going long. We're buying this instrument. The ATR is automatically done for you. It's taken from the candle in question. Select your brokerage, select an account size so you can risk an appropriate amount, and hit calculate trade details. As you can see, this gives us a recommended stop loss of 1.59650. This is for account protection only. Realistically, we'd stop out before this, but that's just there to protect you in large market moves. And we have a take profit of 1.61973. So that's giving us a point where now once we hit this, we'll take our profit, we'll wait for a more opportune signal to come up, and we'll go from there. So as you can see on the day, we closed out the candle at 1.60911. The take profit was 1.61973. This gives us a suggested trade size of 106.2 pips. That's what we're looking to achieve on this one particular trade. So as you can see, on the first day we had this open, actually not a whole ton happened. There was a lot of movement, but it ended up roughly the same place as it started. And then today we've had a massive resurgence back towards the middle of that price channel as mentioned, and we've actually taken our profit now. So we can actually see where that was. So it was 1.61973. 97 is just about here. So as you can see, we didn't quite time the tip of this movement, but that's not the point. Now, we've taken the vast majority of it, we've exited safely, and now we're waiting for a better opportunity to get back in the market to make even more profit. Now, obviously, trading this even at £3 per pip, you'd have made a £318.60. That's on this one particular trade. We're looking to take one or two of these a day, about 45 a month. If you want to see, obviously, how we generate these particular trades and how we can get this to work for you, we host 3 weekly webinars. We have a Tuesday and a Friday 12:30, or a Wednesday 7 p.m. There'll be a form on the right if you want to get involved, speak to myself and some of the other traders here at Trendsignal. Hope to speak to you soon.